Today in this annual competition organized by Darul Tanzil Madrasa, congratulations to the President, Chief Guest, teachers and dear audience. Now I am talking about Madrasa education system. The story is very glorious. The need for Madrasa education was established Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam when the Holy Quran was revealed to him. The subject of a teaching Al-Quran, the hadith and duties and the responsibilities of a Muslim. The madrasa name is Darul Tanzil Madrasa. It is a Qawmi madrasa. It has 200